Hello everyone, this is a tutorial for the Zcash community on how to install a Nym node. To install the node, we need to rent a server. Here are the minimum system requirements required for the node. These include 4 CPU, 4 GB RAM, 40 GB SSD, IPv4 and IPv6 1 gigabit per second port speed. Similar parameters can be obtained on the site pq.hosting. In this example, we already have a running server. And so here is how you can actually rent it. You choose the region, don't forget to set IPv6, we select the operating system, and on this plan it will cost €13 per month. After you receive the data for your server, we will need to log into it via SSH. You can use any platform that's available on your operating system, and here we use Termius. We proceed to the installation itself, according to the guide that is left in the description below. Update packages and install Rust. Proceed to the installation of the Nym node. Creating binaries can take between 5 and 30 minutes, so you may need to wait.
A few moments later.
Creating the binaries, we'll need to create service files and specify the flag responsible for ours. An example of minimum file content will be in the guide below. We have created the service file. We can check its contents by using the nano command. Daemon restarted. The node is already working, but we need to link it to our Nym wallet. To activate the node, you'll need at least 100 Nym commission. Click Bond and insert the key provided by the server. Then you'll need to fill in the following data. I enter the amount of our bond, the operating cost and amount we spent on renting and maintaining the server, profit margin, the percentage we receive from delegates, and next we connect our server to the wallet using our credentials. Copy the key and paste it into the wallet. Everything is ready and the node is working. The wallet is linked, and during the active set we will start receiving rewards and mixing traffic. All other useful commands that you may need to work with the server will be in the guide. Also, I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that the Nym project has privileges for quality servers. The team can delegate their own Nym tokens to your server so that your server can mix packets more often and receive rewards. If you have questions, please reach out to beyond_carto on Twitter, and don't forget, privacy loves company.